In this video I am showing you how you can see trending GFI on Instagram story. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app and then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner, and from here you have to go to the story tab, and after going to the story tab you can go to the gallery and you can take any of the photo. So let's see, I choose this photo, and after choosing the photo, what you can do to see the trending GIF on Instagram story, simply tap on the stickers icon in the top right corner, and here you have to tap on the search, and here you can see all the trending on GFI. So this is the very easy process. You can simply tap on the stickers, so like this, and then tap on the search button, and here you can see the trending on GFI. So you can scroll down, so scroll up, and here you can see all this trending on GFY on Instagram story. So that's it, that how you can see this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video, and also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.